We're Star and Daniel, and this cutie is our pup Aspen. We've been spending the last couple of years exploring everything Canada's great outdoors has to offer. We even spent the night in a Quincy, which is similar to an igloo, that we built ourselves. This year, we've decided to put a canopy on our truck and convert the inside into a tiny home on wheels for us to travel and live in full time.
I don't think that's supposed to happen.
We had to halt construction because it's hailing out here.
No,
These doors have taken us 2 days to build. That is insane.
Yeah, so I messed that up a little bit.
It's not that bad. I'm impressed with us. Good job.
Yeah.
Daniel did like all the cutting, so good job. We put in this shelf here so that this is where we're gonna put our pots and pans and our cups and plates and, you know, all the dishes and stuff. And you would not believe the trouble we had putting this in here. Originally it came out all the way to here and it was like nice and contoured to fit in here perfectly. And yeah, we did not think that out because it wouldn't fit in, so we had to like trim these pieces because this was completely built before we shoved it in there. That was a pain. That was a huge pain, but it's in there now. It looks good. We put wood filler along it to cover the screws, and then we're gonna paint it so it'll look nice. We're just working on another support beam for the counter, so this is gonna go like this when it's screwed down, and then we'll have 2 places to rest the countertop on. But unfortunately we have to wait until we put the countertop on. We have to wait until we get the battery set up for us to put the counter on, just so that it's easier to put things in, which really sucks because the battery is not available to come till at least June 1st, so we'll be waiting a while with it open like this.
Hey.
Are you trying to get that wood? We might need that piece for something.
Sniff this one.
Oh my God. Are you tired?
Does that look good?
Sure.
Look at how sturdy that is. That's ridiculous.
So our countertop now should be nice and rock solid.
Yeah, you could say that again.
We put the floor piece that we have that slides in for our bed platform up here just to see how it looks. And it looks really good.
Yeah, it does look really good.
It's nice to finally see it as it will be, because right now, you know, it's kind of hard to visualize everything, but like, this is fantastic.
Yeah, it'll be 6 inches higher too because of the foam, so the counter should be a good height.
Yeah, we tried to make it just below these windows here.
And it looks like we succeeded. I can't speak English today.
We succeeded! That's a new one for us.
This drawer, man, it's too bad because I had notches and it came out all the way there, and then we couldn't get it in, and
yeah, we had to cut that off
to
get it to fit. It's a
fail.
shame, but
It is
at
a
least
shame,
it fits.
man. It's a shame.
But I think we're gonna, we ordered some really nice drawer knobs and like handles, which I can't wait to show you guys. But so we'll have, I think we might do like a pull down with a handle to get into here, because this is where our dishes are gonna be stored.
Like
So I think we're gonna
pull
do
down.
like a hinge and pull down like this.
Now we're gonna paint some of this. We're gonna sand it a little bit and then paint
Sand
it.
it, make it look nice, paint it. Hopefully it won't look bad. I guess
Mhm.
we'll find out.
As you can see, we have put some, what is it called? Wood filler over the screws. Hopefully it stays. And we're gonna sand it down a bit once it dries. And then we'll paint tomorrow. Just gonna do a finishing sand job on everything.
Yeah, we've got, looks pretty decent.
Yeah,
Some of this,
you can still see some of them, but it's not crazy.
at least it'll be a little more
It's covered
flat.
a little, yeah. Alrighty, where should I start?
I don't know.
It's paint time. It's got this little spout too, so I don't have to open the whole can. How do I do this?
Just go for it. Oh, it's a giant beetle! Oh no!
Dude.
There's a giant beetle that just fell in. Oh, he's coming for your foot.
Oh, you're upside
Oh,
down.
you fell upside down.
Oh my god.
What an idiot.
Ugh. Come on, buddy.
Harsh.
No, get off it.
He really wants inside. Don't touch the paint! This first coat. It looks so much brighter in there already.
The floor blue and the inside of this cubby blue. And then we'll do this side. And then we'll do the front of the drawers blue, I think. I mean, I was gonna paint inside the drawers and the sides of the drawers, but I don't know.
We'll see.
Look at that gorgeous blue.
Time to do the second coat. So we had a bit of an issue with our tape bleeding. So we went and got some different tape and some frog tape.
I think it was old tape.
Yeah, it was super old tape. We should have just got some new stuff.